In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a video in Canva. Whether you're putting together a captivating social media post or a continuous playback for a presentation, knowing how to loop a video in Canva can add that perfect touch to your project. Let's dive right into the process, and by the end of this video, you'll be looping videos like a pro. First things first, you'll want to open Canva. If you're not already familiar with Canva, it's an easy-to-use online design tool that allows you to create graphics, videos, and more. Head over to the Canva website and log into your account. If you don't have one, sign up is quick and free, so definitely give it a go. Once you're logged in, navigate to the design you want to edit. If you're starting fresh, create a new design and choose the appropriate dimensions for your project. Now that you're in your workspace, it's time to add your video. You can either upload a video from your device or select one from Canva's extensive library. If you have a video ready to go, simply click the Uploads tab on the left, then hit Upload Media to bring in your file. Alternatively, explore Canva's gallery if you're seeking inspiration or a particular style. Once your video is uploaded or chosen, it's time to bring it to life on your canvas. Drag the video directly onto your canvas or timeline. Position it exactly where you want it to play. This will be the visual base of your looped video, so take a moment to align it perfectly within the design to meet your needs. Click on the video to select it, which will reveal a set of tools and options in the top toolbar. Among those, you'll want to locate the playback option. It might be towards the right-hand side, depending on your screen size and current layout. Clicking here is an important step in accessing loop settings. Next, let's tackle the looping feature itself. Within the playback menu, look for the loop video option. Simply toggle that setting to the on position. This setting ensures that once your video completes playing, it will automatically start again from the beginning, creating a seamless loop. After you've made this adjustment, it's wise to preview your video to make sure everything looks and flows correctly. If you're satisfied with how the loop operates and how the video looks within your design, the final step is to click the share button found at the top right of your screen. Navigate to the download options and make sure to save your file as an MP4. This format is widely compatible and perfect for online sharing or embedding in presentations. And there you have it. You've successfully created a looped video in Canva, ready to captivate your audience with continuous playback. Thanks for joining me, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy design tips.